Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? This is my first video in English. This is the world's smallest phone, the Hope BM10. The price is about 10 riyal, which is about 3,000 rupees and $10. So this works with all the phone SIMs, and it is dual SIM also. So let's look at the box. So this is the BM10, Hope's BM10. It supports HD voice. When we look at the back side, we see that the color, they have black and white option, and the screen is at 1.66 OLED display. Now let's unbox it. So this is the phone. This is the phone itself. If you look, that it is very small, and it is a copy of the Nokia 3310. So in the box we get the micro USB cable and the user manual also. So this is the phone. If you look at the front, we have the screen and the keypad there. On the top we have the micro USB cable. On the back we have nothing. On the back side we have the speaker. On the right and left we don't have anything. Let's open it inside. This is the battery, and now we're going to insert the SIM. So this is where the SIM goes. This is where the second SIM goes out the micro USB, micro SD card. Let's turn the phone on now. If you look, this is my hand and this is the phone. As you can see, it is very tiny. Now let's comparison. This is the USB and this is a marker, and now let's compare it. As you can see, the phone is very small. Now I turn on the phone and the SIM is working also. If we put this button on, then this is the menu. We have multimedia option, Bluetooth, extras, settings, phone books. We can also use it as MP3 player, and you can only use the headphones with micro USB cables. Otherwise you have to use the loudspeaker. Now let's make a call and test it out. As you can see that my home phone is ringing. So this is proof that it works. As you can listen to. So we can also messaging if we go to messages, like I have done over here. This is the message which I send, and so yeah, it works all good. So this was the unboxing review for today, and from today inshallah all the videos will come with the English voiceovers, and it would be only for the unboxing and review one. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.